to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we'll be making a jerk beef brisket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we make a new video.
Now these are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have some chopped up green onions, chopped yellow onion, some chopped up sage, and minced garlic. Some of the other seasoning that I'll be using. I have some complete seasoning right here. And this is gonna be for a dry rub for the beef brisket. A little bit of cinnamon powder, not too much, because you don't want to overpower the other seasoning. A little bit of nutmeg, maybe just a tad of nutmeg, you know, ground black pepper. All right, so now I'll start off by adding some little deep cuts. Basically, I'm making some insertion with my knife, all right? So once I make a little hole right here, I'll start stuffing it with the dry rub and all the fresh herbs that I chopped up earlier. So first, you wanna mix all of the dry rubs together, dry seasoning. And then we're just gonna stuff our little pockets, all right? And then we're gonna make a couple more of these, you know, small, deep insertions. I'm trying to make sure my brisket is well seasoned, and we're gonna marinate this baby overnight. Now it's time to start stuffing our brisket with all of the fresh herbs that we chopped up earlier. All right, so there it is. And I combine all the fresh herbs, as you can see. And we're gonna stuff our brisket. This is gonna be delicious, guys. I can't wait to try it. We're gonna close it back together. Now, it's time to add our last ingredient, and that is our Jamaican jerk seasoning. I'm just adding a little bit of jerk paste. I'm gonna add it to both sides of my beef brisket. But first, you wanna make sure you spread it, you know, entirely across, you know, both sides, all right? Now we're gonna flip them over. We're gonna add a little bit more jerk paste as well. Ooh, I can already taste, you know, the flavor of this nice beef brisket, guys. All right, so let this baby marinate for 24 hours for best results, you know, and you should be good to go. Brisket like skin side down with all this fat. We're going to place it face down directly on the heat. It's smelling good already, guys. Smelling real good. All right, guys, so we're just going to go ahead and flip our beef brisket on the other side. Lift it up, use the muscles, flip it over. Let me get it. Look at our beef brisket, guys. So right here, as you can see, I already have the color that I'm looking for. Nice and crispy on the outside. And once the other side, you know, becomes the same, then I'll go ahead and wrap it in a foil wrap and let it slow cook. All right, guys, so place your brisket on the foil paper. And then we're just gonna wrap them up real quick, real good and tight, before we place it on back on the grill and let it slow cook for a good 4 to 5 minutes. All right. Make sure it's nice and tight, guys. See? And we're gonna place it on the grill, 4 to 5 minutes. It should be good to go. Jerk beef brisket, guys. It's looking nice and juicy. Looking good. All right, so let's start off by slicing our jerk beef brisket, guys. Look at that color. A nice pink, juicy flavor. Look at that. See that juice? Ooh. You definitely don't want to overcook your beef, you know. Ooh la la. All right, once again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Please remember to go ahead and subscribe for all the latest recipes, all right?